This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Emergency. Imagine a firefighter who can go anywhere, face any danger without hesitation. This isn't a dream. It's the dawn of AI firefighters. Prepare to witness a revolution in safety. For decades, we've sent humans into burning buildings, disaster zones, hazardous environments. But now, AI is changing everything. Unitree is pioneering AI-powered humanoid robots designed to handle the jobs that are too dangerous for us. This technological leap forward is thanks to Unitree, the company at the forefront of the AI humanoid revolution. They're building robots that are not just machines, but intelligent partners capable of learning, adapting, and performing complex tasks. And to prove just how advanced these robots are, prepare to be amazed. Witness the unbelievable agility of AI in motion. Beyond agility, these robots bring AI-powered efficiency to industries. Enter the era of smart factories, where human error becomes a thing of the past. AI-driven robots constantly monitoring, intelligently analyzing, ensuring peak performance and quality control. Imagine zero downtime, maximum productivity, all thanks to AI and robotics working in perfect harmony. And the precision, unmatched. Prepare to witness AI dexterity at its finest. But the AI revolution extends far beyond factories and danger zones. Unitree's vision is to bring AI-powered robot assistants into our homes. And in healthcare, AI caregivers are poised to transform lives. Imagine the impact of compassionate, tireless AI assistants in hospitals and homes. The AI powerhouse making this all possible? NVIDIA. Unitree's partnership with NVIDIA unlocks unparalleled AI capabilities. NVIDIA's Isaac Sim, the ultimate AI training ground, and NVIDIA Jetson, the AI brain within each robot. Together, they are forging the future of human-robot collaboration. The AI revolution is here and now. Humanoid robots are no longer a fantasy. They are reality, and they are changing our world. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Subscribe to AIX now and be part of the AI revolution.